It was really breathing the sport in itself.
Now I have dreams because now I have a plan.
Dreams helps you to get further.
Mon attitude, ça s'est mal passé. Et, du coup, j'ai un peu gâché ma fin de tournoi.
I made decisions that weren't correct.
Sometimes the golf doesn't go as you want.
You just need to try harder or, think positive.
A major tournament, it's a goal you have in your career, and it's a big event. You should always give the same weight to every tournament, but a major is something unique. Not every player can play it.
I prefer to win a British Open, an Iberian Championship, a KPMG Championship. I prefer to win a major than an Olympic game. I think a major is a major.
Not a lot of French people have won majors, so it's a big deal. So I think it does make history to win a major.
Since you're a kid, you're watching the Olympics, if you love sport. For a golfer, it's a unique opportunity.
It's amazing to participate in the Olympics because it means you are one of the best athletes of your country.
I think the difference is only that one is based on your career and the other one is the symbol of the sport. The best part of the season was to take part in the Olympic Games and to experience one of my goals that I had in my career. The best thing about the Olympic Games is to meet all the other athletes and as well to understand how they prepare themselves and how different they have the challenges to get to the Olympic Games, how many events they have, how they prepare, how everything is special, and as well the air you were breathing because it was really breathing the sport in itself.
La petite Lucie, elle rêvait toujours de gagner des grands chelems et d'être numéro 1 mondial. Et juste là, elle commence à grandir, elle commence à passer pro, du coup, et son rêve, il est de moins en moins loin, entre guillemets, même si ça reste à des années de lumière. Et elle sait que c'est pas impossible, quoi.
I think the main dream is really to play among the best in the world every day. And to be one of them and be able to beat them sometimes. But I think what's important for me is really becoming the best person I can be and the best player I can be.
If you don't have dreams, you won't be performing or trying what you do, and dreams helps you to get further.
Well, a short term, I would like to be top 100 on the world ranking, and a long term, I would like to win a tournament.
And now I have dreams because now I have a plan. I know what I want to do.
Je fais 2 majeurs cet été. Je fais Evian et le British. Du coup, de passer pro, ça a un peu rajouté encore du stress. Quand j'étais amatrice, je jouais souvent pour les gagner. Les tournois, quasiment tous, surtout en 2020 et 2019. Donc là, je me retrouve à jouer des tournois où la gagne, elle est inaccessible sur un Evian, un British et compagnie. Donc j'y vais pour de l'expérience. Même les quelques tournois du LED, c'était pareil. Donc j'ai des attentes beaucoup trop élevées par rapport à la réelle difficulté du tournoi, quoi.
During the season, I made some decisions that weren't correct, were a bit rough. I took a caddy that I wasn't comfortable with. I put so much pressure on myself and trying to find a result, trying to perform at the best, that in the end it made me weaker mentally. And I wish I could have started working with a mental coach earlier in the season.
Je passe le cut du coup à Evian. Et derrière, donc, objectif atteint, il y a eu beaucoup de relâchement et après j'ai eu beaucoup de mal après le cut. Mon attitude, ça s'est mal passé. Et, du coup, j'ai un peu gâché ma fin de tournoi. Et en plus, qu'il se met à pleuvoir des cordes, bon, ça a mis un mauvais mood à la partie en plus, quoi. Donc, c'était compliqué. Bon, il y a quand même énormément de positifs à retenir du coup de ce tournoi. Je reste quand même super fière de ce qui s'est passé.
The game wasn't really good, but I'm very happy. And I hope I will come back next year. Sometimes the golf doesn't go as you want, and you have to have patience.
Working very hard and not getting the results you want is very frustrating. But I think it's okay because this is just how you learn.
If you are playing well and you miss one shot, it's not frustrating. But when you play the other day and you miss a shot and you miss a shot and you miss a shot, I think that's the frustrating thing, yeah.
You just need to try harder or, think positive.
The best players to stay on the top, I think their mentality is really strong. They work with mental coaches. That's the really big difference. And in golf, even more, because you just play golf in 20 centimeters. It's your brain.
So it's just very exciting to play with the best players. And if you have a chance to play in one group with them, I think it's even more special. And because most of the times you realize they're just normal persons too. They're just playing a lot better golf than everyone else.
I think a rookie has the inner gut that tells you, I can do it, I can manage, and I want to prove to professionals that an amateur can do it.
So they're not expecting anything. They are great candidates for a win.
Après Evian, j'ai fait qu'enchaîner. Donc c'était un peu que des petites conclusions brèves, avec un peu mon coach, papa forcément qui est tout le temps avec moi. Mais j'ai pas vraiment pris le temps de me poser, rentrer chez moi, m'entraîner, faire un point. Et c'est ce que, pas que je regrette, mais que j'apprends pour ma saison future, quoi.
I improved on working on myself to understand, to see the positive in some of the things. I have 3 months to do a program and to plan everything.
Si je pouvais essayer de refaire les mêmes tournois que ceux que j'ai joués cette année, ce serait cool, quoi. C'est un peu le début de mon rêve qui commence à se réaliser.
And I want to perform, I want to compete and try to put the new technique I will have under pressure.
C'est juste le début de l'aventure, quoi.